Hi guys! Good morning!
Good morning!
Buongiorno! Kagigising lang namin guys at ito si Alice nagugutom na at kailangan ko na mag-prepare ng breakfast niya guys. What time is it, Alice?
8:39.
8:39 na guys, so kailangan ko mag-prepare ng breakfast ni Alice. So mayroong dalawang avocados dito guys, ano ko lang ito, mamash kasi wala akong blender. So mamash ko lang ito para kay Alice. So ready na yung avocado ko guys at meron din akong mga berries dito para sa breakfast niya. Meron akong blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries. Hugasan lang natin ito quickly. mag-add na rin ako ng plum. Mag-prepare na rin ako ng Greek yogurt guys kasi paborito ito ni Alice pag breakfast. Okay. So guys, ready na ang breakfast ni Alice. Mayroong mixed berries, avocado, yogurt. Okay, enjoy your breakfast, Alice.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, we're just gonna remove you and add a pink one. Let's do the pink one. A robot cat? What do you do? Hello?
Oh.
Hypnotize. Oh, I have a feeling this track is gonna sound horrifying. Let's go.
Oh wait, it's not as messy as I thought it'd be.
Jackal's favorite. My ears. This is the worst track I've ever heard in my life. This is so bad. Get out of here, guys.
Yeah,
They're all
this is
screaming
so
bad.
bad here.
So far, our favorite is this guy.
Me too.
Boom, ba,
Yeah,
boom, boom,
nice.
ba.
That's a good base speed.
Let's get some character info. Who are you? Name Peter. Species pig. I think we knew that.
Manometer, I did.
Favorite color is red, and Peter the pig is a guy full of energy and loves to play many games. He can get a little sad when you have to leave. He likes having this apple on his head. Fashion's so
It has
crazy.
a little bit of water.
Sorry to break it to you, Peter, but apple on the head isn't fashion.
Oh, don't say
Anything
that to
is
Peter.
fashion.
Wow, Gold. How can you say that to Peter? Okay, let's actually make a beat. Let's go blue.
I
It's
don't
very
like
grand.
it. This is more, yeah, I like the flower.
Okay, you know what? Let's go for flower. Here, remove you, Peter. We'll put the flower in, and we're gonna put Peter over here.
I mean, yeah, it's
Okay.
it's something. No, not that one. That was not.
No, it's working, Gold. It's working. Let's go.
Challenge is to have all 7 without a big cloud.
Who's that? That one's
Oh.
cute.
So,
Yeah, I think we have to get rid of pink.
ito palang ano nila guys, ito palang fruits nila ay napaka-sweet.
You're a cutie patootie.
Lalo na ang strawberries guys dito sa Australia. Sobrang tamis.
Oh, but now the pig doesn't
It's kind of like the big bad wolf. No, don't
Sarap
worry,
guys.
We'll put in this bag.
At kahit yung avocado nila dito, hindi na kailangan lagyan ng sugar. You don't need to add sugar kasi super sweet ng avocado nila dito. So, in-enjoy namin yung mga fruits dito sa Australia guys kasi sa Jakarta kasi mahal yung mga prutas galing Australia, lalo na yung mga berries at avocado. So, for the meantime guys, ipiprepare ko na rin yung coffee ko kasi kailangan ko ng coffee guys. Mamaya pupunta pala kami sa Botanical Garden at Opera House kasi nung last time na pumunta kami sa Opera House guys, hindi maganda yung weather, masyadong windy at umuulan-ulan. Yung kararating lang namin dito sa Sydney Saturday, Friday, and Sunday. Grabe ang lakas, ang pangit ng panahon. So, babalik kami doon at pupunta rin kami sa observatory pag meron time kasi meron akong i-meet up na kaibigan dito sa Sydney. So, prepare muna ako ng coffee guys.
world of dragons, and we can't be too loud right now because it's late at night, as you can see, and there are a lot of sleeping dragons all around us. Scuba, where are you? Here you are.
Keep it down, keep it down. We don't want to wake any of these things up. They could be angry if we get woken up real soon.
There's that storm cutter over there because
Itatry ko pala itong Tim Tam at Walkers, guys. Kasi ito talaga yung paborito ko na shortbread cookies. Saka ito naman ay may chocolate. Ito talagang the best, guys. Kaya gusto kong tikman.
Okay, sorry. I think it's really put that like you are, like even a living the
So, ganito lang siya.
Maybe it'll forgive me. But we did have to steal a little feather from it for a good reason. And the reason is right here, Scuba Steve. The bone-bound cure.
It looks so good. I really want to taste it.
Now, you can't
Okay naman.
taste this. We worked so hard to get it.
Masarap din naman siya.
Such a waste. We have to go get
Pero mas gusto ko ang
So for those that
ito.
don't know, we've been working on getting this cure for a while because the Night Fury over here had a curse put on it when it entered a graveyard. It was some sort of warlock. Long story. He's gone now, but yeah, there was a curse in the graveyard. He actually had a fight with that.
Masarap ito sa tea.
But that's kind of beside the point now. It looks like
Come on, finish your avocado. Alice, finish your avocado. Malapit na matapos ni Alice, guys. Avocado niya.
Sound of Kawaii Chain. It's happening. It's happening. Oh, here comes our new little one.
I'm so excited. What's going on?
Hello there.
You're so precious.
Welcome to the beautiful butt baby.
Coffee muna tayo, guys.
Baby. Oh, I can't.
Alam niyo, guys, dito ko lang na sa Australia na napaka-safe dito kasi walang mga immigrants at napaka-stricto ang mga borders dito. Pagdating mo sa airport pa lang, grabe yung scanning, guys. First time ko na na-experience yung sa immigration, kino-cross-check nila kung authentic ba yung Italian passport namin ni Alice. So mayroon doong dino-double check. Kumbaga, merong isang immigration sa harap ng window at tinatawag niya yung parang passport expert. Tapos tinitingnan ng passport expert yung passport ko at passport ni Alice, yung mga pages kung tinitingnan niya kung authentic ba na Italian passport. Kasi pag mag-travel kasi kami, guys, maliban na lang sa Pilipinas, Italian passports yung ginagamit namin ni Alice. So pag nasa Pilipinas, Filipino passport. So sa lahat ng countries na napuntahan ko, guys, ang dami-dami ko ng lugar na napuntahan. Dito lang sa immigration sa Australia, dino-double check nila ito bang Italian passport. Yung kino-cross check nila yung Italian passports namin ni Alice. Kasi hindi nga naman ako mukhang Italiana, guys. Si Alice, half siya. Kaya yun. So, walang immigration dito, walang mga tao dito na hindi grabe ang pag-check sa kanila. So, wala ako nakikitang mga mga immigrants ba yung nagdadala ng ng gulo sa isang syudad. Wala dito guys. Mostly nakikita mo sa heart of Sydney, mga estudyante, mga Asian. Alam mo, kampante ka dito guys pag naglalakad-lakad yung anak mo kasi wala talagang dito. Hindi, yung safety nila is 1,000 more kaysa ibang city na napuntahan namin. Kaya hopefully pag ni Alice, plan ng asawa ko na dito paaralin si Alice kasi dito niya na feel na safe siya. So, kape muna tayo guys. Ito yung paborito ko guys na shortbread. Ito talaga lagi kong kinakain pag available ito. Ito talaga. At take note guys, grabe, ang mura lang ito dito sa Australia guys, $2. Sa Indonesia, nasa na ito, nasa mga $8. So, dito muna guys, tatapusin muna namin yung breakfast namin guys. Maganda palang araw sa lahat at salamat sa suporta. Bye!